Silence doesn't last forever, not the kind that matters. After numbness comes something heavier, not pain, responsibility. Feeling again isn't relief, it's risk. She doesn't rush this time, no sudden clarity, no emotional breakthrough, just awareness. She begins noticing how fragile desire really is, how easily it disappears when overstimulated, and how slowly it returns when starved. Reconstruction isn't dramatic. It's boring, quiet, intentional. She starts removing noise, not everything, just enough to hear herself think, less scrolling, less reacting, less consuming emotions secondhand. Psychologically, this is withdrawal, not from attention, but from external regulation. For the first time in a long while, nothing tells her who she is. No compliments to stabilize her mood, no reactions to guide her emotions, no signals. And this is terrifying, because identity without mirrors feels empty. But emptiness isn't failure, it's space. Female desire doesn't need abundance, it needs direction. Slowly, sensations return, subtle ones, unimpressive, real. She notices discomfort when something feels wrong, excitement when something feels honest, calm when something feels safe. These signals were always there, they were just drowned out. Now desire stops chasing stimulation. It starts responding to presence. Connection no longer needs to impress, it needs to arrive. This is where attraction regains gravity. Not because options disappear, but because meaning re-enters. She no longer wants to be everywhere, she wants to be somewhere. Emotionally, this is maturity, not settling, not detachment, selection. The paradox is cruel. To feel deeply again, she must risk feeling less desired. Because depth doesn't perform, it resonates, and resonance is quiet. Most people never make it here. They confuse stimulation with aliveness. They confuse attention with connection. But she learned the difference. Rule card. Desire doesn't grow from excess. It grows from presence. The weight has returned, not as hunger, as gravity. And for the first time, desire doesn't rush. It stays.